You think a bad flight just means a little turbulence? Think again. Imagine being stuck on a hot plane for hours. No water, no updates, crying kids and angry passengers shouting at crew. This wasn't some faraway airline. This was Spirit Airlines right here in America. And the nightmare, it was all caught on camera. In 2021, passengers boarded a Spirit Airlines flight, expecting just another cheap, no-frills trip. Spirit had built its name as America's budget airline. But with that reputation came constant complaints. Cramped seats, endless fees, and flight delays that left people stranded. On this particular day, everything went wrong. The plane boarded on time, but once passengers sat down, nothing happened. Minutes turned to hours. The air conditioning shut off, leaving travelers sweating in the Florida heat. Families begged for water, but the crew refused to provide it. Frustrated passengers pulled out their phones, recording the chaos. Arguments broke out. Parents tried to calm screaming children. Some people shouted at the flight attendants for answers, but none came. Videos went viral on social media showing the inside of the aircraft, passengers chanting to be let off, others standing in the aisle demanding answers. When ground crew finally arrived, passengers were told the flight was overbooked and overweight, a mistake that should never have happened. Some passengers had to leave the plane. Others had their bags forcibly removed, and hours later the flight was cancelled altogether. The incident became another black mark on Spirit Airlines' reputation. Media outlets picked up the footage, and the airline faced another wave of criticism. Travelers called it the worst airline in America, not just because of one bad day, but because these stories kept happening over and over again. So when people say, "You get what you pay for," remember this story. Spirit may offer some of the cheapest tickets in the US. But for many passengers, the real cost is stress, chaos, and hours of misery in the sky. And that's why Spirit Airlines has become the symbol of the worst travel nightmare caught on camera.